Hey, I'm Keegan. I'm a music director and the founder of TracksBuilder. TracksBuilder Beta just dropped, so I wanted to show you really quickly how I use it and what it can do for you right now. So here we got TracksBuilder open. We're gonna start in the setlist tab. So we're just gonna enter in all the songs in our setlist for this weekend. Once we've done that, we're gonna set the folder that we have all our songs stems in, and then we're gonna press search. And now you're gonna see TracksBuilder searches within that folder and matches all your songs and the stems by their file names. So keys, drums, guitar, bass, it's gonna match all of that automatically. And now I'm gonna go through and select the stems that I do not want in my build. So TracksBuilder will just automatically mute them when you import them. And now that that's done, we're gonna hop over into the build panel. And now I'm gonna set my settings for this build. These settings save from session to session. So from week to week, you don't have to go in and redo all this. It's just gonna save for you. I like to have on song level parent groups because this will just group all the individual stems group by their song. It just makes everything look a lot cleaner. I also like to turn on use auto-generated MIDI click. This will just import a MIDI click loop so that once the song's done, the click keeps on playing for the band in case you want something like a flow or something like that going on. And then I'm going to turn on bus routing as well. You can get into like routing presets and things like that, but I just turn on bus routing. It makes it a lot faster on Sunday if I have to change the routing or something like that, because it'll route all the groups into individual bus tracks. And that just makes changing routing way faster. I don't even have to mess with presets half the time, but that option is available. And now once all the settings are done, I'm gonna hit build. It's gonna take about 10 minutes so I can get up and go do some work that I need to do. And when I come back, it's gonna be a finished set for me. And now I'm back and TracksBuilder is done creating this set list and everything looks good. It's exactly how I would have made it. This is just the beginning of what TracksBuilder will do, but even in beta, it takes so much of the technical work off of your plate. If you want to try it out and help shape the full release, TracksBuilder Beta is available for download right now from TracksBuilder.com.